this is not even a joke, bro. If you want to get the girl you want, and I know you've been trying to be all this romantic and that you want her to know that you've got the vocals and you can sing and that.
Yeah.
Bro, listen, I've worked with the greatest people out there, innit? What you're paying for, it's not even... I'm doing it, it's a charity work, innit? So
I know. I've read your reviews and like
I don't have reviews, I have Grammys, bro. There's two different things. You can't... Come on, don't disrespect me like that. I teach people how to sing from their soul, innit?
Yeah.
I was born by the river.
Wow.
You see
amazing,
that?
Yeah.
It's coming from here. It's pain.
And
this is pain,
so
emotions.
how can I achieve that?
Okay, for you to be able to, you need to first exercise, innit?
Exercise.
So there's a lot of exercise that you do. Okay, that's for your eyes, innit? I, the letter I, okay? Not for your eyes.
Okay.
So, what, okay. Sometimes you've gotta lose to win again.
Sometimes you gotta lose to win again.
See, that's the thing. You're still singing from your wisdom tooth. Don't use your wisdom tooth.
I'm sorry.
Bro.
Yeah.
Put some passion into it, my brother.
I am. But, you know, my motivation is my wife. And, I want this wedding to be...
Yeah, I know. You gotta be able to... I'll tell you the truth, bro.
Yeah.
The way you're singing right now, you might as well... Your wife will just probably become deaf. I'll tell you the truth. No disrespect to disrespecting it.
I want to woo her, you know?
Okay, if there's a songs for that in it. Oh, you want to go there.
Yes,
but then you have to sing from the heart.
I am.
Right now when you're singing, it's wisdom tooth. A lot of wisdom. You have wisdom tooth with no wisdom. You know, no disrespect, but to disrespect, yeah?
Yes.
So I want you to be able to breathe. Yes. I don't want to mention names in it. I've done this with Usher. You know Usher?